Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and studying well at your homes. So, as you know, we have completed our chapter. So, today we'll do our exercise. So, let's get into it. Mark these sentences as true or false. Now we have to write true or false. The moon knocks at the doors of people's home. So, what it will be? It will be true. Write here true. The moon had a loud voice. Write here false. The child pretends to be asleep. So what it will be? It will be true. The moon stands and stares at the poet lying in the bed. What it will be? It will be true. Write here true. The moon peeps at folk asleep. What it will be? It will be true. Write here true. Now come to the next one. Circle the correct answer. Now we have to circle the correct answer, or you can tick also. The moon comes every night या day. What it will be? Night. Tick on night. Second one, she always never makes a sound. What it will be answer? Never. Tick on never. Third, she sits, stands and stares. So what will be the answer? Stands. Next, she goes on tippy toes making noise. What will it be? It will be tippy toes. Okay, now come to answer these questions. So, first question is, what does the moon peep through? What does the moon peep through? So the answer will be the moon peep through the window. Next question, what does the child see when he pretends to sleep? So the answer will be when the child pretends to sleep, he sees the moon. Next question, what does stealing by on tippy toes means? Stealing answer is stealing by on tippy toes means moving quietly, slowly on the toes. Next question, where does the moon go then? And the answer will be the moon goes to the house next to me. Now one question is there, think and answer. Why do you think the poet closed his eyes and pretended to be asleep as he watched the moon go by slowly? And here is your answer. The poet closes his eyes and pretends to be asleep as he watches the moon go by slowly because he thinks that moon watches him too. This will be your answer. Now come to the book again. Move to the next. Now here in the poem peep rhyme with asleep. Look at the pictures and match them with correct rhyming word. Now we have to match it. So soon will be matched with moon. Match it. Shadow will be matched with the shine. Mouse will be matched with house. Deer will be matched with here. Rice will be matched with ice. And bun will be matched with sun. Clear to everyone? Now come to the next one. Tick the correct spelling to fill in the blanks. Rohan dash at the bats in the sports shop. What will the answer? Stairs. Write here stairs. Tick on stairs and write here stairs. Riddhi goes to dash every day. School. Write here school. Tick here school. Come to the next page. My pet dog Jimmy dash to sleep sometimes. Pretends. Tick on pretends. My father likes to watch tennis on television. Tick on watch. I like to read books at dash before going to sleep. Night. Right here, night. Come to the next page. The word has and have are verbs. They show that Riya, Vidit and I own. Has and have show that meaning something belongs to a particular person. Now has and have, what is the function of has and have? It shows that it belongs to a particular person. Now read these sentences and note the use of has. Now we'll read the sentence and see what is the uses of has. The dog has a long tail. Okay, it is describing about the dog that it has a long tail. He has red hair. Means if we have to describe something, we will use has. Charu has a red pen. The monster is scary. It has sharp claws. The word has is generally used with the noun that are one in number. Only one in number. It is used with he, she and it. Clear? Now read these sentences and note the use of have. These dogs have spotted fur. Look at those trees. They have colorful leaves. You have 6 pencils in your pencil box. You have lots of books in our home. So the word have is generally used with the noun that are more than one in number. Okay, it have more than one in number, will use have. It is also used with we, they and you. Clear? So has is used for one person and have is used for more than one person. So we'll here see fill in the blanks using has or have. I have a kitten and a parrot as my pets. Okay, it is more than one in number, so we will use have. Clear? Right here have. My kitten has golden fur and a long tail. Okay, right here has. My parrot have green feathers and red beak. My cousins Minnie and Remy have a pet dog. Minnie and Remy's dog has a funny name. Cheese. Right here has. Children's, you change here. My kitten have golden fur. Right here have. Clear? So in this way we have completed our exercise. I hope it is clear to everyone. If you face any difficulty, please ask me in the group. Until then, stay safe, take care of yourself, stay healthy at your homes. Thank you everyone.